Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maniya here and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be my eyebrow tutorial. Something a lot of people ask me about and I'm finally getting to it. So here we go. So I'm going to just start off brushing my eyebrows upward. And then I'm going to take my top brow from Kiss New York and start filling in my brow lightly. I don't want to color it in. I don't want to be too rough or too harsh with the product. I want to put it on as lightly as possible and just kind of follow the way my hairs lay naturally and fill it in. And I also want to shape my brow the way that I would like it to look at the same time. My eyebrows are not as thick as most people, so I have to fill it in at the end a little bit more with a little bit more of the product. But if you don't have to do this because your eyebrows are thick, then you can just skip that step. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this concealer. The coverage is amazing. The formula is so beautiful, like the finish and everything. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to go underneath my brow and shape it the way I want it to look. A lot of people like to use a brush. I like to just go in with the concealer because it's just easier that way. They designed it where you don't have to do all that extra stuff with brushes and things. Sometimes I choose not to put concealer at the top of my brow. I usually would, but sometimes I don't because I like the way that looks. But for this video, I did. I'm just going to put that at the top of my brow and shape it the way that I want it to look also. So after I do all of that, I just grab a beauty blender and I gently try to blend out my concealer at the bottom and the top of my brow. You want to be very careful because it's so easy to mess up the eyebrow. I try to be as careful as possible and get a beauty blender that's kind of like more on a pointy-ish side so it's easier for me. Some people like to use a brush. I just don't like to blend my makeup with brushes, which is why I used a beauty blender. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below any other videos you may be interested in. Please also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so you know when I upload a new video. You can also follow me here at these links and you can also watch more here. I also have my affiliate links in the description. If you're interested in recreating this look, the products are down below. Peace, guys.